to convert your Pluxee balance to Gcash. 1. Open the Pluxee app and check your available balance. 2. Use your Pluxee card to buy digital gift cards or e-vouchers from Pluxee partner stores like Grab, Lazada, or Shopee. 3. Choose a Gcash or PayMaya gift card. If available, some voucher resellers accept Pluxee as payment. 4. Redeem that gift card or voucher code inside your Gcash app to top up your wallet. 5. If direct Gcash vouchers aren't available, you can buy load or prepaid credits through partner stores, then sell or transfer them to someone for Gcash. 6. Avoid using third party converters or agents online, as many are unsafe or scams. 7. The safest route is to use your Pluxee balance for eligible purchases or vouchers and convert those to cash through trusted transactions. 8. Always verify any conversion method with Pluxee's official customer support before proceeding.